If you've ever stared at a plumbing tool and wondered, what does this even do? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the most important plumbing tools with clear pictures, simple names, and beginner-friendly explanations that anyone can understand. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool does what, and how to use each one confidently. Let's jump in. This is a pipe wrench. It's made for gripping round pipes, so you can twist or loosen them without slipping. The teeth bite into metal firmly, giving you control during plumbing repairs or when dealing with stubborn old fittings. This is an adjustable wrench. It has a movable jaw that lets you fit it onto many different bolt sizes. Beginners like it because one tool can handle lots of small tasks, from tightening nuts to assembling simple home projects. This is a plunger. It's the tool you reach for when a sink or toilet stops draining. By pushing and pulling, it creates pressure that helps break the clog. It's simple, reliable, and often fixes the problem without needing anything else. This is a pair of channel lock pliers. The jaws can slide to different widths, letting you grab objects of various sizes. They're useful for tightening, loosening, or holding things in place, especially when parts are too big or awkward for regular pliers. This is a pipe cutter. Instead of sawing, it scores and snaps the pipe cleanly with a rotating blade. It gives smooth, even cuts that help plumbing joints fit better. Great for beginners who want neat results without a lot of effort. This is a hacksaw. It's a simple cutting tool with a thin, replaceable blade that works well on metal, plastic, and small pipes. You guide it back and forth by hand, making it handy for trimming pieces during small repairs or DIY builds. This is a basin wrench. Its long handle and swiveling jaw help you reach tight spots under sinks where your hands don't fit. It's mainly used to loosen or tighten faucet nuts, making a frustrating job much easier for a beginner. This is a pair of slip joint pliers. They have a pivot that shifts to two positions so the jaws can open wider when needed. They're great for gripping, pinching, and holding small parts, useful for all kinds of household fixes. This is a plumbing snake, also called an auger. When a plunger can't clear a clog, this tool goes deeper into the drain. You feed the flexible metal coil inside the pipe and twist, breaking up or pulling out the blockage. This is Teflon tape or plumber's tape. It's a thin white tape wrapped around threaded pipe connections before tightening. It fills tiny gaps and helps stop leaks, making it a must-have for sealing faucet, shower, or pipe fittings. This is pipe insulation. It's a soft, tube-shaped material that slips over pipes to keep them from losing heat or sweating with moisture. It helps save energy, prevents condensation drips, and protects pipes during colder seasons. This is a rubber mallet. Unlike a metal hammer, it delivers a firm hit without damaging the surface. It's useful when you need to tap something into place, like tiles, wood pieces, or fittings, without leaving dents or marks. This is a caulking gun. It holds a tube of caulk and lets you squeeze out a steady bead along gaps or cracks. It's perfect for sealing around sinks, tubs, windows, or anywhere water or air might sneak through. This is a plumbing hammer. It looks similar to a regular hammer, but is shaped for tapping pipes, fittings, or brackets gently. It provides control where heavy hits would be too harsh, helping you adjust parts without breaking anything. This is a level. It's the tool you use when you want something perfectly straight, whether horizontal or vertical. The little bubble inside shows when you're aligned, making it essential for shelves, frames, tiles, and even plumbing runs. This is a flashlight. A simple but essential tool, it helps you see clearly in dark corners, under sinks, behind appliances, or inside crawl spaces. Good lighting makes every repair easier and helps you spot problems you might otherwise miss. This is a tape measure. It's the tool you rely on when you need accurate measurements for pipes, fixtures, or room layouts. The retractable metal strip lets you measure long distances easily, helping beginners plan and cut with confidence. This is a pair of hand gloves. They protect your hands from sharp edges, hot pipes, and dirty surfaces while you work. Whether you're cutting, gripping, or tightening, gloves give you better safety and a more comfortable grip. This is a pipe threader. It creates threaded ends on metal pipes so they can screw into fittings securely. Beginners use it when replacing or extending plumbing lines, since proper threads help prevent leaks and ensure solid connections. This is a compression sleeve puller. It's a small tool used to remove old compression sleeves from a pipe without damaging the line. This makes it easier to replace shutoff valves or fittings, especially during sink or toilet repairs. This is a plumbing torch. It produces a small, controlled flame used to heat copper pipes so they can be soldered together. It's surprisingly easy to handle and lets beginners make strong, leak-free joints once they get the feel for it. This is a drill. It spins bits at high speed so you can make holes or drive screws into wood, metal, or plastic. Whether you're mounting hardware or starting a plumbing bracket, a drill saves time and effort on almost any project. This is a tubing cutter. It's designed to slice through copper, plastic, or aluminum tubing with a clean, smooth edge. Instead of sawing, you tighten and spin it around the pipe, making precise cuts that fit perfectly into fittings. This is a water pressure gauge. You attach it to a hose bib or faucet to see how much pressure is coming into your home's plumbing system. It's a quick way to spot issues like high pressure, which can damage pipes and appliances. This is a pipe bender. It lets you curve metal pipes without collapsing or crimping them. By bending a pipe smoothly instead of cutting and connecting multiple pieces, you get cleaner lines and fewer potential leak points in your setup. This is a hydraulic bender. It uses fluid pressure to bend thick metal pipes with steady, controlled force. It's helpful when you need smooth, accurate curves that hand tools can't achieve, especially for heavier plumbing or construction work. This is a reciprocating saw. Its blade moves back and forth quickly, letting you cut through wood, metal, or old pipes with ease. It's a go-to tool for demolition or removing damaged plumbing sections. This is a soldering kit. It includes a torch, solder, and cleaning tools that let you join copper pipes by melting metal into the joint. Once you learn the basic steps, it's great for creating durable, leak-proof connections. This is PVC primer and cement. The primer cleans and softens the plastic, and the cement bonds the pieces together permanently. It's the standard way to connect PVC pipes, giving you solid seals in drain lines and irrigation systems. This is a pipe freezing kit. It chills a small section of a pipe until the water inside turns solid, creating a temporary ice plug. This lets you work on a line without shutting off the whole water supply. Very useful for tricky repairs. This is a backflow preventer test kit. It's used to check whether a backflow device is working correctly and keeping dirty water from flowing backward into clean lines. It helps you confirm that pressure levels and valves are doing their job safely. This is a pipe locator. It helps you find buried or hidden pipes without digging or opening walls. By detecting signals or depth changes, it guides you to the right spot, making repairs faster and preventing accidental damage. This is a spanner wrench. It's a simple tool shaped to fit specific nuts or rings that regular wrenches can't grip well. You'll see it used on faucets, water heaters, and specialty plumbing parts that need a snug but careful turn. This is a flaring tool. It spreads the end of a soft metal tube into a cone shape so it can seal tightly against a fitting. It's common in copper plumbing and helps create leak-resistant connections without soldering. This is a pipe expander. It stretches the end of a pipe so another piece can slide inside it. This creates a strong, smooth connection without extra couplings, making it especially handy when working with PEX or soft metal tubing. This is a plumbing inspection camera. It has a small lens on a flexible cable that lets you look inside drains, walls, or hard-to-reach spaces. It's incredibly helpful for spotting clogs, cracks, or hidden issues without taking anything apart. This is a grooving tool. It presses a neat groove into the edge of a metal pipe so it can connect to specialized couplings. It's often used on larger plumbing systems where strong, quick-to-install joints are needed. This is a water heater tank removal tool. It's designed to help you detach and lift a water heater safely by gripping or supporting the tank. It makes the removal process smoother, especially when dealing with tight spaces or heavy units. This is a leak detector. It picks up small signs, like sound, moisture, or pressure changes, that reveal where water is escaping. It helps you find leaks early, even when they're behind walls or underfloors before they cause bigger damage. This is a recirculating pump tester. It checks whether a hot water recirculating pump is running properly by measuring flow and performance. It's handy when diagnosing slow hot water or uneven circulation in a home's plumbing system. This is a pipe crimping tool. It squeezes metal rings or fittings tightly around PEX or soft tubing, creating a secure, leak-free joint. It's straightforward to use and gives you solid connections without glue, heat, or complicated steps. This is a concrete saw. Built for cutting through tough materials like concrete, brick, or stone, it uses a powerful motor and a heavy-duty blade. It's the tool you reach for when you need to create openings or remove sections of solid surfaces. This is a pipe clamp. It holds pipes steady while you cut, glue, or assemble them. By keeping everything from shifting, it helps you get cleaner, more accurate work, especially when aligning fittings or working alone. This is a thermal imaging camera. It shows temperature differences as colors, letting you see warm or cold spots behind walls. It's great for finding hidden leaks, insulation problems, or moisture without doing any demolition. This is a manometer. It measures pressure inside gas or water lines, giving you a clear reading of how the system is performing. It's useful when troubleshooting boilers, checking gas appliances, or verifying safe pressure levels. This is a set of brazing rods. These rods melt at high heat and bond metal pipes together, creating a strong seal. They're often used on copper or steel lines when a tougher, more heat-resistant joint is needed than solder can provide. This is a set of plumbing brushes. They come in different sizes and are made for cleaning the inside and outside of pipes and fittings. They remove dirt, rust, and old residue so your connections seal properly when you solder or glue them. This is a snake auger. It's a hand-cranked tool you send into a drain when deeper clogs refuse to move. As you rotate it, the tip grabs or breaks apart debris, helping clear the pipe without needing harsh chemicals. This is a set of corking tools. They're used to seal or plug openings in pipes or fittings, often during testing or temporary repairs. By pressing in a tight stopper, they help you work safely without water flowing through the line. This is a hose bib key. It's a small square-shaped tool that turns outdoor water spigots that don't have regular handles. Buildings often use these for security, and the key lets you open or close the valve easily. This is a PEX crimp tool. It tightens metal rings around PEX tubing to lock fittings in place. Once you line things up, a simple squeeze gives you a strong, leak-resistant joint that holds up well in everyday home plumbing. This is a pair of PVC cutting jaws. They snap onto a ratcheting handle or specialized cutter and let you slice through PVC pipe with a smooth, even edge. They're great when you want quick, clean cuts without using a saw. This is a pressure relief valve tester. It helps you confirm that a water heater's safety valve opens correctly when pressure gets too high. A quick test can show whether the valve is still working or needs attention to keep the system safe. This is a set of drain cleaning chemicals. These liquids break down grease, hair, and soap buildup inside pipes. They're useful when you need a quick, simple way to clear light clogs, though they should be used carefully to protect pipes and fixtures. This is a concrete drill. It's a drill designed to handle tough materials like brick, stone, and concrete. With the right bit, it makes holes for anchors, brackets, or plumbing lines that need to pass through solid surfaces. This is a thermal hose repair kit. It's meant for fixing insulated or heat-rated hoses without replacing the whole line. The kit includes patches or sleeves that restore the hose's protective layer so it can handle hot or demanding conditions again. This is pipe joint compound. It's a thick paste brushed onto threaded pipe connections to help seal them tightly. It fills tiny gaps and keeps leaks from forming, making it reliable for both water and gas fittings. Get to know the plumbing tools you see all the time but never really understood. This video walks you through each tool with clear pictures, easy names, and simple explanations so you'll know exactly what they're used for. Whether you're fixing things at home or just getting started with DIY plumbing, this visual guide makes everything easier to follow. Dive in and learn at your own pace.